Registration of postal articles. Inland postal articles. Letters, letter cards, book and pattern packets, parcels and newspapers prepaid with postage at newspaper rates of postage may be registered at any post office for transmission by post to any other post office. In addition to the postage, a fee of 17 rupees shall be charged for the registration of any postal article, provided that no fee shall be charged for the registration of a blind literature packet. Provided further that a fee of rupees 250 pice only shall be charged for the registration of a value payable book packet containing printed books, the printed or stamped value whereof does not exceed rupees 50. Provided further that the concession specified in the second proviso shall not be admissible unless the price is either printed or stamped on the printed book or books as the case may be. The prepayment of the postage and registration fees is obligatory in the case of all registered articles. An article intended for registration shall be presented at the window of the post office. No such article shall be accepted for registration if it is so small or so covered with writing or sealing wax on the address side or otherwise made up in such a manner as to render it impracticable to affix to the article the official labels prescribed by the Director General. No such article shall also be accepted for registration where it contains words to the effect that it has been or is intended for to be insured for any specific sum, or that it may contain valuable contents unless it is also to be insured, or where such words are scored out, unless it bears the name and complete address of the sender on the outside along with the pin code, provided that the registered article which does not bear a pin code may be accepted if, according to the judgment of the person accepting the article, the name of the area of the delivery post office serving the sender's address is otherwise clearly mentioned. This sub-rule shall not apply to an article which has an address label tied to it, provided that the label is not so small or so covered with writing on the address side as to render it impracticable to affix to that side the official label prescribed by the Director General. No parcel shall be accepted for registration unless it bears the name and address of the sender written on the cover. If the Postmaster General is satisfied that it is necessary or expedient so to do that meet the rush of work in a night post office or a mobile post office, and to ensure the equitable availability of facilities provided therein to all persons, he may, by notice displayed on the notice board of such post office, restrict the number of registered articles that may be tendered for booking by any person at one time at such post office during such hours as may be specified in the notice. A receipt shall be given to the person who presents an article for registration at the post office window during the hours prescribed for posting registered articles. No registered article shall be delivered to the addressee unless and until he or his agent has signed a receipt for it in such form as the Director General shall prescribe. If the sender of a registered article pays at the time of posting the article a fee of rupees 3 in addition to the postage and registration fee, there shall be sent to him on the delivery of the article a form of acknowledgement which shall be signed in ink by the addressee or his duly authorized agent, or if the addressee refuses to so sign shall be accompanied by statement to the effect that the addressee or his duly authorized agent has refused to so sign. Provided that no fee shall be payable in respect of a registered blind literature packet for which an acknowledgement is required. No article for which an acknowledgement is required under sub-rule 1 shall be accepted for registration unless it bears the name and address of the sender and is accompanied by a prescribed form of acknowledgement duly filled in and securely fastened to such article, and unless the article bears the superscription acknowledgement due on the address side. The sender of the registered article may obtain an attested copy of the original receipt signed by the addressee to his duly authorized agent on payment of a special fee of rupee 2, provided that he makes his application for it within 6 months of the date on which the addressee or his duly authorized agent signed the original receipt. Provided that no fee shall be payable in respect of a registered blind literature packet for issue of an attested copy of the original receipt signed by the addressee or his duly authorized agent. Registration shall be obligatory in the case of any parcel exceeding 4 kgs in weight or any parcel booked under express parcel post, any insured article, any parcel addressed to a place for which a customs declaration is required, any article bearing the word registered or any word, phrase or mark to the like effect written or impressed on the cover. Any registered article which is reposted after having been delivered. Any value payable article. Any magazine or periodical printed or published abroad but posted in India and whose price per copy exceeds rupees 20. Nothing in this rule shall be held to render registration of a packet compulsory only by reason that it contains a stamped envelope, postcard or wrapper as provided by Rule 19C. Nothing in this rule shall be held to render compulsory registration of a flat rate parcel only by reason that it exceeds 4 kgs in weight. Inland Speed Post Service. Inland postal articles may be booked after obtaining receipts therefore at the places specified in column 1 of the schedule below and at the post office specified in the corresponding entries in column 2 of the said schedule for delivery under the Inland Speed Post Service subject to the following conditions, namely: Inland Post Office shall be available in respect of all classes of mails which can be sent by registered service. Inland Speed Post tariff shall be as under: for weight up to 50 grams, in local within municipal limits rupees 50, up to 200 kilometers rupees 35, 201 to 1000 kilometers rupees 35, 1001 to 2000 kilometers rupees 35, above rupees 35. 51 grams to 200 grams weight, for local rupees 25, up to 200 kilometers rupees 35, 201 to 1000 kilometers rupees 40, 1001 to 2000 kilometers rupees 60 and above rupees 70. For 201 grams to 500 grams, in local rupees 30, for up to 200 kilometers rupees 50, for 201 to 1000 kilometers rupees 60, for 1001 to 2000 kilometers rupees 80, for above 2000 kilometers rupees 90. Additional 500 grams of or part thereof, for local rupees 10, for up to 200 kilometers rupees 15, for 201 to 1000 kilometers rupees 30, for 1001 to 2000 kilometers rupees 40 and above 2000 kilometers rupees 50. The above tariff will be exclusive of taxes. The taxes will have to be paid extra as notified by the central government from time to time. Proof of delivery charges for speed post article shall be rupees 10 per speed post article in addition to speed post charge. Articles for booking under this service shall prominently bear on the front the superscription Inland Speed Post and shall also bear the name and address of the sender in addition to that of the addresses, including the pin codes of the post offices of deliver serving the addressee and the sender and their telephone number if any. Complaints regarding any article booked under this service, including a demand for refund of fees in cases of non-delivery of articles within the stipulated time, may be preferred within 3 months from the date of booking of the articles and shall inter alia contain the name of the article, the date booking and the name of the office of booking. There will be no delivery of these articles on Sundays and other holidays in the post offices concerned. For the purposes of this rule, Inland Speed Post Service means the service which seeks to deliver postal articles within stipulated time specified in respect of each city or town, as the case may be from time to time by a special messenger or conveyance. In case of delay in delivery of domestic speed post articles beyond the norms determined by the Department of Post from time to time, the compensation to be provided shall be equal to the composite speed post charges paid. In the event of loss of domestic speed post article or loss of its contents or damage to the contents, compensation shall be double the amount of composite speed post charges paid of rupees 1000, whichever is less. Schedule for Delhi, Lodi Road HO, Parliament Street HO, Delhi GPO, Palam TMO. In Bombay, Bombay GPO, Nariman Point PO, Radar HO, Bombay Airport Sorting Office, Bombay Central TMO for Ahmedabad only. For Calcutta, Calcutta GPO, Bara Bazar HO, Park Street HO, Calcutta Air Sorting. For Madras, Madras GPO, Anna Road HO, TT Nagar, Madras APSO, Madras Sorting. In Bangalore, Bangalore GPO, Bangalore City HO, Bangalore City RMS for Madras only. For Hyderabad, Hyderabad GPO, Secunderabad HO, Hyderabad Air Sorting. Ahmedabad, Ahmedabad GPO, Ahmedabad Railway Puram SO, Ahmedabad RMS. The weight of an article for the inland speed post service shall not exceed 35 kilograms, provided that the Director General may prescribe a higher limit of weight of an article for inland speed post service. The size of a postal article for inland speed post service shall not exceed 1.5 meters for any one dimension, or 3 meters for the sum of the length and the greatest circumference measured in a direction other than the length. Notwithstanding anything contained in Class D of Rule 33A, door-to-door service shall be provided irrespective of the weight of an article for inland speed post service. Postal articles, letters, air letters, postcards and packets may be registered at any post office for transmission to countries and places served by the foreign post, subject to such exceptions as the Director General shall from time to time notify in the Post and Telegraph Guide. In addition to the postage, the fees specified in column 2 of the table below shall be charged for the registration of the article sent by foreign post, specified on the corresponding entry in column 1 of the said table, provided that no fees shall be payable for the registration of a blind literature packet to be sent by the foreign post. For letter, air letter, postcard and packet 50 rupees, bulk bag of printed matter 200 rupees. A parcel intended to be sent foreign post shall be presented at the window of the post office, and a receipt shall be given to the person who presents such parcel. No parcel received in India by foreign post shall be delivered to the addressee unless and until he or his agent has signed a receipt for it. Rules 60, 61, 62 and 63 relating to the registration of inland postal articles shall be equally applicable to registered articles sent or received by the foreign post. The sender of a registered article posted in India and addressed to any country belonging to the Universal Postal Union shall be entitled to apply for an advice of delivery at the time of posting by paying a fee in addition to the postage and registration fee at the rates indicated below. For registered articles, for blind literature packets, for Bhutan and Nepal, fee is nil. For other foreign countries, also nil. For other blind literature packets, for Bhutan and Nepal, rupees 5. For other foreign countries, rupees 10. When the sender inquires about an advice of delivery which he has not received within the normal period, neither a second advice of delivery fee nor the fee prescribed in Rule 71A for inquiries and requests for information shall be collected. Inquiries and requests for information shall be entertained within a period of a year from the day after that on which the article was posted. When the sender of a registered article posted in India and addressed to any country belonging to the Universal Postal Union has not paid the fee for an acknowledgement of its delivery and desires to have an enquiry made by the post office regarding the disposal of article, he shall be entitled to this service on payment of a fee as indicated below. For blind literature packets only, for Bhutan and Nepal, nil, for other countries also nil. For articles other than blind literature packets, rupees 5, and for other foreign countries, rupees 10. Provided that if a request is made by transmission by telegraph, the cost of the telegraph and where applicable of the reply shall be collected in addition to the enquiry fee. If the sender or addressee of a registered article posted in any country belonging to the Universal Postal Union other than India and addressed to a place in another country belonging to the Universal Postal Union desires that the Indian Postal Administration should forward his enquiry regarding the disposal of the articles to the administration of origin, he shall be entitled to this service on payment of the fees mentioned in Subrule 2 above. A single enquiry fee shall be levied when the enquiry relates to several registered articles posted at the same time by the same sender to the same addressee. This will not, however, apply in the case of registered articles posted in India and addressed to Bhutan, Nepal or Pakistan. However, in the case of registered articles which had at sender's request to be forwarded by different routes, separate fee shall be collected for each of the routes used. If the enquiry or request for information has been occasioned by service error, the fees collected for it shall be refunded.